Mitraya Namaha. Today we are going to discuss very important topic called communication skills. People think communication skills is all about how do you talk to other person, how tactically you can convince others, how intelligently you can manipulate people, and people publicize that as communication skills. My purpose of making this video is to make sure that you do not get this market based communication skills into your life. Do not get them into your life. The moment you think communication skills is convincing someone else, the way you express yourself and convince others, you will become a disaster. So the purpose of this video is to make sure that you understand communication skills properly, right? So once again, Mitraya Namaha. Let's get into the video. So general misunderstanding about communication skills is how tactically you talk to people, how beautifully you praise others, or how intelligently you manipulate their brain to tell your or to talk about your product and get benefited by that. That is such a wrong way of living. That is a very bad way of living. A tantric way of living or a spiritual way of living is never ever by any chance use wrong words or miscommunicate to to convince people. Never miscommunicate. It is like this. I heard from one of my students saying the right way of communication is misleading them but not misleading them. That is confusing them rather than convincing them, which is really greatest sins you can do in this human form. Never ever try to communicate by misleading someone. Okay, suppose you have a product and you want to sell that. You tell what is your product, because people started reinforcing about communication skills so much, reinforcing about communication skills, talking power, the way you talk, the way you convince people, they have reinforced it so much. They thought communication skills is using nice vocabulary, nice language. That is why you see so many fake people around. So many people are really getting into that fake world and they are living fake life just by thinking that if I can talk like this, if I can manipulate these words like this, like those terms and conditions of these insurance policies or any policy, you see the terms and conditions, intelligently they manipulate and think that is a right way of living. I tell you, do not live in these terms and conditions, communication, manipulating skills. Do not live in that. Be truthful. The foremost important point of communication is be truthful. The other form people think is the right way of communication skills is using body language. That is, you talk like this, you are good. You talk like this, you are weak. Have strict body, stiff body. In those interviews, they tell the moment you go inside, you should take permission and sit. Okay, you should have good body language. You should not be afraid. You should not put your face like this. You should not look like this. You should not look like here. You should be strong enough. You should give shake hand. The shake hand should be stable and firm. This is all wrong information that has been fed into our brain. So a cunning fellow can sit stiff like this and become an IAS officer, can sit stiff like that and overact and become a collector, become a eligible candidate for the job. That is so wrong. People who don't sit like this, who sit like this, can also be great human being. So we are losing our values because we are faking reality, right? So the right form of communication skills is being yourself. Do not be in an impression that if you stand like this, or if you behave like this, or if you go and give shake hand, then only you are eligible for some job, or your communication skills are good, or you will be good enough to do any job. Do not get into that mode. You are faking yourself. Once you are fake forever. So do not get into that mode of communication skills, right? The best form of communication skills is, so till now I have told you what you should not be, right? This market based, this internet knowledge of communication skills, the body language, the way you stand, the way you sit, the way you behave, the way your facial expressions, this is all fake form of communication skills. The right form of communication skills is whatever you are talking should be contextual. That is, suppose you are talking to your seniors, any kind of senior, they can be one day senior to you. You have to give respect to elders. Any kind of elder appearing people, that is based on their age, based on their experience, based on their working in that particular company, that particular place. Even they are 1 day 1 hour elder to you, 1 hour senior to you, you should respect them. That's top number one rule. Respect your seniors, number one rule. Second, very, very important and essential part of communication skills is never ever belittle anyone, never ever look down on anyone, even though they are juniors, seniors, good, bad, anyone. Never ever belittle anyone. That is the right form of communication skills. Whenever you are talking, you should never say that fellow and start the sentence. Do not say my senior is waste, sir. Never ever, even though they are really waste, really worthless, you should never ever ever belittle anyone and talk when you are talking. Third is always tell the context. Never ever talk in detail everything what you have done. Do not project this. Very, very essential and right way of living communication skills is never ever talk unnecessary details. Talk what is there. Do not talk unnecessary details. Don't have to tell what all you have gone through to do that procedure. You see, that is the best way of communication. The other important part of communication skills is believing what you are talking. Very, very essential. You have to believe, trust, and you should yourself accept what you are talking is true. Otherwise, do not communicate that. If you don't know, do not communicate. If you don't believe it, do not talk about it. This is also an essential rule of communication skills. That is, you should really believe in what you are talking. If you are not believing it, don't talk about it. Okay? And do not depend on data, facts, statistics. Do not depend on these things when you are talking. Depend on reality. Okay? Reality, what touched your heart. When you talk that, you are having right communication skills. Anyone in this world gets connected to you if you are talking reality. And when you are talking, very, very important, never hurt anyone, never hurt yourself. Very, very, very essential point. The other most important out of all this, if you don't listen to the video till here also, it's okay. But from here, you should be conscious. Communication skills is all about yourself. You have to communicate, not about others, right? You, yourself, you should be real and truthful. Communication skills is all about you, not about someone else. So whatever you are communicating, you should, your body and you should accept it, and you should be real in what you are talking. This is the most important point. Communication skills is about you, not about others. So if you are truthful, if you are real, nothing in this world can stop you. Few pseudo intellectuals may reject you. Few wrong people may find difficult to tolerate you. But the reality is, that's how you should live life. Be real, and communication skills automatically come to you if you are real. And the rule, very, very important rule is, do not talk by hurting someone. Do not be rude. Whenever you are thinking about communication skills, don't be rude, because just because you are truthful, you should not be rude. Very, very essential aspect of communication skills is, because you are truthful, you should not be rude. You don't have right. You can be truthful, but you cannot be rude. Okay, this is an important point. You should write it on your wall. Be truthful, but not rude. You may be right, you may be 1000% right, but you should never be rude. That's the best way to communicate your heart out. And always talk your heart. Do not expect people to understand. The most important problem which everyone in this universe faces, thinking that the opposite person has really understood you. The moment you think that they have understood you, you will fail terribly. You should make them understand, not that you think that, see, I have given this gesture, so they should understand that I am confident, they should understand that I am truthful. No one will understand. If you are truthful, you talk your truth. Okay, so this is very, very important, and these are the basic rules of communication skills. When you are with seniors, when you are with your mentors, when you are with your gurus, do not overact. Do not tell how great you are. When you are with your friends, you have to motivate them. You have to keep encouraging them. This is the greatest rule for communication skills. So think on this, and if you have still any doubts, please put it in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Mitraya Namaha.